KFRT Channel 7 News. I'm Elena Petty.
And I'm Megan Petty.
We are here to celebrate the Parthenon's 2500th anniversary from the time it was completed in 432 BC.
2068 is a momentous year in the history of Greece and of the world. There has been celebration throughout the year. We now go to our field reporter, Patrick Petty, for more information about the amazing structure known as the Parthenon.
So, Megan and Elena, Patrick Petty here, reporting live in the field. It truly is amazing to be alive for the 2500th birthday of the Parthenon. The building began construction in 447 BC and it was officially completed in 432 BC. It took a total of 15 years to complete the building and finish the elaborate and beautiful decorations. The Parthenon was built as a tribute to Athena, the Greek goddess of wisdom, civilization, warfare, strength, strategy, female arts, crafts, justice, and skill. She was one of the most important deities in Greece. The temple was built using the remains of the previous temple. The supplies were mostly Pentelic marble and limestone. Luckily, these stones were easily shaped with tools and carved into larger statues, pillars, and arches. The Parthenon was used as a palace for the goddess Athena. Sacrifices were made to Athena, and even her birthday were held there. These parties were full of food, drinks, live plays, and music. While the Parthenon's history was often glamorous, there were several low points in history as well. The 1687 explosion that caused the roof of the Parthenon to be blown off. The Venetians bombarded Athens. As a result, the gunpowder stored inside the Parthenon ignited, resulting in a massive explosion. Well, I hope this was a great introduction to the rich history of the Parthenon. This is Patrick Petty. Thanks. Back to you, Elena.
Thanks, Patrick, for that wonderful information. Well, this is all the time we have for today. This is Elena Petty.
And this is Megan Petty.
Signing off. Thanks for watching KFRT Channel 7 News.